Numat's range of equestrian matting is specifically designed to provide safe flooring surfaces for horses and people. The benefits are well proven, but where do you start when considering equine rubber matting? In this video, we'll walk you through the various options and reasons why you may choose one starting point over another. I'm John from Numat. Let's dive in. Float and truck matting. Rubber surfacing can be installed on all areas of your horse float. That means the walls, the floors and the ramps. Ramp mats are a great place to start, as this can be an area of great frustration for horse owners, particularly when it comes to getting horses off and on the ramp. A Numat ramp mat will provide comfort and grip, which will give your horses more confidence when travelling, which means less hassle for you. Most people who install a ramp mat will also install floor matting. Floor matting for floats and trucks comes in a couple of different options. General high grip mats like Numat's flat mat provide good all-round grip and comfort and can be used in most floats and trucks. Ribbed matting like Numat's wide rib mat are great for angle loaders, as it can be installed with the rib running long ways to provide extra grip for your horse. Wall matting tends to be thinner and lighter than floor matting, making it easy to affix to the wall surface. Numat's flat mat is designed specifically for this type of application. Area number 2, stable matting. Stable matting produces outstanding outcomes for horses in stable boxes. It's warmer, quieter and more comfortable than concrete, and it's easier to keep clean, saving time and reducing bedding costs by up to 80%. While it is recommended that you cover as much of your stable and walkways with rubber matting as possible, it can make sense to start with a small area, like a single stall to begin with. This can keep costs down while still delivering considerable benefits. Area number 3, wash bays. Wash bays are an obvious candidate for rubber surfacing. Not only can they become wet and slippery and unsafe, they can also become muddy. For these reasons, installing wash bay matting can be a good starting point to providing safety for yourself and for your horses. For areas where drainage is important, a heavy-duty mat with holes will be needed. Mats like Numat's Surefoot and H10 provide this, as well as softness and grip underfoot. Water will drain away from these mats, while the mat will still protect the surface underneath. If drainage isn't required, a solid interlocking mat like Numat's Double Stud is a good option, as it provides excellent grip, comfort and can be taken up if needed. So there you have it, our answer to where to begin when it comes to equine rubber matting. I hope you found this video informative and now have a better idea of where to put rubber matting to provide comfort and safety for yourself and your horses. If you'd like more information about any of the products that we've discussed in this video, please contact us on 0800 686 119 or fill out the form on our website. Thanks for watching.